Hello, guys, and it's me, Gerard Galing, and welcome to our Facebook page and, of course, to our YouTube channel and to our Spotify. So, I just want to announce you something that our podcast will be back after a few days or a few months. Siguro this February or March, magbabalik na tayo sa pagpo-podcast natin. Just little by little kasi kasalukuyang busy din tayo sa ating internship and marami din tayo mas marami naman ng ating ginagawa ngayon. So ngayon ay mag-unti-unti muna tayo and kasalukuyan ko muna na ire-record na lahat ng mga na-prepare kong episode topics para sa ating podcast para sa March or April ay may upload na natin and i-schedule ko na by Saturdays of the March, April, and so on para tuloy-tuloy ang ating pag-produce ng ating episode. So, I just want to say hello to everyone kasi ang tagal na rin natin na hindi na natin ginagawa to ah during our internship talaga is na-postpone nga talaga yung ano natin, yung goal natin. Pero it's okay naman eh. It's top priority pa rin ang pag-aaral pa rin natin. And super ganda talaga ng ano, mga nangyayari din sa akin on 2023 or last year. Kaya ayun, mas maganda pa rin yung ano natin. And naging productive din naman tayo. So ayun, ulitin ko, this announcement, magbabalik ang The Life Moments by March. So, by this February or mid-week ng February or March, something like that. Kung ano yung, or kung ilan yung may puproduce kong episodes for for this, kasi ngayon eh, nag-edit ako and anything, iniigihan ko na rin. So, gusto ko lang kamustahin kayo and have a nice day to everyone. So, again, this is Gerald Kaling. Yes, yes, yo. Good luck.